To create the mint green, I took some Meet Me at the Chapel and Sublime and mixed them together. You could use Lovey Dovey. I also added in a little Crazy for Blue. I wanted it to be more of a bluey mint color. Added a little bit more Sublime, and I just mixed them with a dotting tool. Next, I just took one of my square flat brushes from my Creativity set and applied it to my pinky finger, my pointer finger, and to my thumb. Making sure to cap when I am applying with each coat of polish. Now I'm taking my Meet Me at the Chapel and applying it to my ring finger and to my middle finger. You could, like I say, also use Lovey Dovey. Gonna do a complete 45-second cure. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second coat for my base. Making sure once again that I'm capping with each coat of polish. Do another complete cure. I decided to do 3 full coats. I wanted to make sure with the lighter polish that it gave a nice, really good solid color base. Full cure. Now I'm just taking a blob of Sublime and applying it to my mat and some Emerald Envy. And I'm gonna take my large striping brush and I'm just gonna start drawing on my cactus. I like to draw the outline first, and then I'll go back and fill it all in. Now that I'm happy with the outline, I'm just gonna go in and take the Sublime and completely fill in that cactus. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of a different cactus over here. So I'm just kind of drawing a half moon, half ball, I guess, on my nail and filling it in as I go. Still just using Sublime. Gonna add 2 circles on top of each other on this side. One on the other side. Now that the base of my cacti are done, I'm gonna do a full cure. I'm just taking a nail cleansing pad and wiping off the Sublime from my brush. Now I'm taking Emerald Envy and I'm outlining the cacti. I like to outline first, do a complete cure, and then go back in and draw the lines and the accents for the cacti thorns. I really like curing as I work because that way if I do happen to screw up a line that's not straight or I didn't place it where I wanted to place it, I can wipe it and don't have to worry about wiping all of the work that I have just completed off as well. So I'll break it down. I'll do the outline first, do a cure, then I'll go back and draw a few lines in, cure that. I'm outlining each mound on this particular cactus. Full cure. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start drawing the detail lines for my cactus. I did 3 on this one just because it was quite a big cactus. and then I continued to that round out up into his arms. I wasn't overly concerned if the line was perfectly straight because I'm going to go in and I'm going to add little hash marks all over to create the thorn, so it doesn't matter if it's a little bit messy. Don't get too concerned or too particular about it. It's supposed to look messy. I did a complete cure again. Now I'm just going back and I'm just putting hash marks all over the cactus to create those thorns. I'm doing it along the lines, and then I'm also doing it along the outlines. Just don't overthink it. I think the messier it is, the more natural it looks in this particular case. I'm going to do a complete cure again. To create the cactus blooms, I used Sensational. I wanted it to be a nice bright pink. You could use whatever color you wanted here, but I wanted it to be more of a neon looking color. And I'm just putting the little cactus blooms on each of the extended arms of the cacti on this guy, and then I'm doing a quick cure. Now I'm taking Emerald Envy again, and I'm just doing a U at the base of each flower and adding a few dots in, and that's kind of giving it a flower base and center. I decided I wanted the flowers to be a touch bigger, so I'm just adding a little more Sensational at the top. And then I'm doing a complete cure. The last step of creating this mani was taking Matter Effects top coat and putting it on all the nails. Did a full cure. And here is our completed cactus mani. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks for watching.